Here's an easy way to create a nice letter with a clear acetate sheet. Welcome, this is Rozani. Start with a little strip of paper. Fold it and gently twist it into a strand. I'll be using liquid starch. Let's get started. You can use your scrap paper in any colors that you like and any thicknesses. This is just an example of what can be done. You don't have to use this method and you can freestyle your letter, but I hope this will help you. So you just follow the outline and you can make separate pieces and shape them the best that you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. It may be a little flimsy, but that's okay. Play with it until you get it positioned however you like. And once you do, then you could set it aside to dry. Let's keep going. The main thing is to have fun with it and explore the possibilities. I always like to say that because that's what I do, and I know that you can do it too. Besides, it uses up your scraps. This works best when you have some sticky starch. You don't want to oversaturate it, but you do want it to be nice and damp. And eventually it will all come together. I'm almost there. I just needed to add this other piece. And you could combine the colors too, or you can make the letter thick or thin, however you want to do it. Let's keep going. Remember that it's easy to adjust because it's paper, and later on you can add on however you like. But I recommend that you allow this to dry a little first before beginning to decorate your letter. Once you've completed your basic letter, you'll be able to explore so many possibilities, like we'll be doing here. Coming right up, we'll be using little blossoms, and you can use foliage and different types of accents. Now, of course, this letter had dried and it was transferred on to this little platform here. I like to use jar lids, and this makes it easier for me to work on it. But here I'm just folding some little petals. These colored scraps are from copier paper that is bleed resistant. And they're easy to work with. Now, the stickier you get them, the better. So it's good to use a thick liquid starch for this type of craft. And here I'm shaping a little leaf with a stem, and I'm going to add that as well. And you can wrap it around, place it wherever you like. But I'm hoping that this will at least give you an idea of what can be done. Use your imagination. Explore the creativity and have fun with it. So here I'm continuing with a little purplish blossom. And of course, they're just simply individually torn pieces, all joined together and overlapping to give the illusion of a little blossom. These are my little fantasy flowers. I like to use my handy dandy and trustworthy wooden skewer. It helps me to keep these in place. You can use a similar tool. But imagine what you can do from season to season. You could add fall foliage to it, little pumpkins, or perhaps a grapevine, or whatever you like. And there we have it, a basic decorated letter. I'm glad you were able to join me. I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.